Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this BulletProof Hitches Extreme Duty Adjustable 2-ball mount with a drop and a rise for a 3-inch hitch. Has a 36,000 pound gross towing weight capacity. Now this 2-ball mount will slide into a 3-inch hitch receiver and it'll let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. Up front here, the hitch balls, they'll provide the connection points for your trailer coupler. Now when you do slide this into your hitch receiver, it will require a hitch pinning clip or a hitch lock for securing the hitch to your receiver, or this ball mount to your receiver. Now the pin and clip and the hitch locks, they are not included. We do sell those items separately on our website. The hitch pin hole diameter is 5/8 of an inch. Up front here you can see they use two different size hitch balls, a 2-inch and a 2 5/16 inch diameter, so it'll let you tow trailers with different coupler sizes. And to switch the ball size, it's pretty easy to do. You just remove the 2 pins here, flip the ball platform over to what ball size you need, put it into what height you need, reinsert the pins, and you're all ready to go. Now the pins I wanted to show you, take out a clip, we'll slide one of the pins out. That'll give you 2 of these 5/8 inch diameter corrosion resistant hardened steel pins. If you look at them, they have a nice nickel undercoat with a zinc plating top coat for give you best corrosion resistance. So every time you put them in and take them out, over time they'll still look really good. They don't just wear out or rust or corrode. Go ahead and put this back in. Slide the pin all the way through. Take your clip it right into place. Now this is an extreme duty ball mount. It's a solid steel shank. Uses this 1/2 inch thick full length gusset, which is welded behind the channel to be able to get the higher weight capacities. Now it also up front here uses a solid dual ball platform, and the hitch balls are welded to the platform. So when this is all put together, its total weight on this is about 90 pounds. It is an adjustable design. It will provide a drop, or if you flip it over, it'll provide a rise. So it allows you to tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. So it's designed to work well for contractors where you have one truck and you can use that one truck for different size trailers. Now this ball here, it's in the drop position. If we put this in the lowest position on here and then measured from the top of the shank to the top of the ball platform, it'll get you a maximum drop of about 9 1/4 inches. If we flip this hitch over into the rise position and then put the ball at the tallest point, it'll get you a maximum rise of about 8 1/4 inches. Now it will give you 5 levels of adjustment in 2-inch increments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can move this ball platform lower or raise it higher to match your application. The hitch does come powder coated with a nice textured heavy duty matte black finish. This heavy duty finish keeps your ball mount looking new instead of all worn and rusty after a short time. And if you notice this tube here, this is a tube of anti-friction grease, and that's for lubrication of the balls and the coupler. So when you go to make your connection, put some of this anti-friction grease on there. Now some measurements I want to give you is the distance from these hitch pin holes to where the gusset starts right down here. So this first hole right here, if we measure from the center of that first hole to where that gusset starts is 3 1/2 inches. If we take it from the second hole, which is right about here to here, is 5 inches. Now this ball mount does have many different dimensions, so I do recommend for you to go to the product page of this part number and to verify any dimension that may be needed for your application. It does have a lot of dimensions on the product page. Again, the application fits 3-inch by 3-inch trailer hitch receivers. This is ideal for vehicles that have a 22-inch to 24-inch clearance from the ground to the bottom of the receiver tube. Gross towing weight capacity, if you use the 2 5/16 inch ball, it's 36,000 pounds. If you use the smaller 2-inch ball, it's 12,000 pounds. Tongue weight capacity on both balls is 6,000 pounds. And we do also offer a variety of channel mount attachments that are available to fit in this ball mount to allow you to use this ball mount also as a pintle hitch, shackle hitch, and even a hitch step. Those items are all sold separately on our website. But that's going to do it for the review on this BulletProof Hitches Extreme Duty Adjustable 2-ball mount with a drop and a rise for a 3-inch hitch.